멸치 볶음을 할 겁니다. 재료부터 먼저 소개해 드리겠습니다. 프라이팬 데울 때 버터, 다진 마늘, 물 약간, 그리고 물엿이 없어서 그냥 쌀엿, 그리고 매운맛을 좀 주기 위해서 빨간 고추, 그리고 깨소금. 메인 재료 마른 멸치. 네, 시작하겠습니다.
Let's start cooking. Now I on the portable stove. First, we have to use butter. The reason why I use this is to not to make hard later. This is salted butter, so I will not add salt. Add this carefully. Melt down the butter. Chosen is watching. This is how to cook Daddy's favorite food. Side dish. What's the name of this?
멸치볶음.
So I can cook if I pass really old.
What did you say?
When I get big.
When you're grown up,
Yeah.
you will what? Melt down more.
That's my favorite, melting down butter. It's satisfying.
Satisfying. The favorite part of Chosen is melting down the butter. And now I will start adding the chop. This is not chili. This is garlic. What's this in Korean, Yuko?
마늘.
Ma늘.
I thought that was cheese. It looks like cheese.
Look like cheese.
Yeah.
It's not cheese. Fry them together.
That looks
Add
like
butter.
corn. That looks like corn.
Smells good. Can you smell?
Yeah.
And what will be the next?
The next will be the anchovy.
Okay.
I knew it.
This one.
I knew it.
Open the anchovy. And let's add it here. Let's check first the garlic. Okay, now it's ready.
That's a lot. I thought there was something inside because there was something.
Fry this slightly.
Whoa! Where did the butter go?
Absorbed by the anchovies. It's a magic, Chosen. The butter disappear. Can you see the garlic? Already this light brown. Smells really good.
Oh, it smells like my favorite squid.
Your favorite squid? Next time we cook your favorite squid. Chosen is learning how to make Daddy's favorite side dish.
What's the honey?
That's not honey. It's rice syrup.
Oh, rice syrup.
Yes. Fry this until a little bit light brown. Can you smell it, Ibo? Hi, Sungwan. Hi. Hi. Okay. Now let's add water. Just little bit of water. Careful.
It's so bubbly.
Yes.
It's just smoking out.
To make it soft, let's add more. This is a half cup of hot water.
Hot bath. Hot bath.
Half cup.
They're having a wow. It's so bubbly. I wish I could pop it.
The water make this anchovy soft. Now I will add the Korean rice syrup. This one is sweet. Because Daddy loves sweet. What's the name of this again, Yabo?
Rice syrup.
Rice syrup. I will lower down the fire. Not to burn the anchovy. I will add this. Do you want very sweet or just a little bit sweet?
Just one.
1 tablespoon.
I smell it really strong because
For Chosen's recipe, I usually add 2 tablespoons of sugar or syrup to make it sweet. Add it here. One tablespoon. It makes the anchovy also shiny.
wow, it's shiny. Oh, I smell it really strong because of the really strong smell. Oh, I smell it.
Now I will add sesame seeds. Lots of sesame seeds. And the fresh
Chili.
chili. We use fresh chili because we want a little bit spicy.
Spicy.
Stir them together.
I was about to say what?
And it's ready.
Oh, strong smell again. Ma. Whoa, I already got half a part. Ma, put the glasses down. Oh wait, I saw that. That was
Tastes good. Say hi, someone. Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
안녕.
Say hi to everyone.
안녕.
Say hi to the viewers,
안녕.
not Appa. Viewers, not Appa.
Now it's ready.
Smells like sweets.
Let's transfer the anchovy.
Ma, it's the It's clean. Wow. Wow, there's something. Oh.
I didn't add salt here because the butter I used earlier is salted butter. So it also helps balancing the taste. And the anchovy,
It's
a little bit salty already. If you want more sweet, you can add more sugar. Do you want to eat this one? No? They hate seafood. Corn? Okay,
You
it's
are
plant cooked. Now the anchovy is ready, so the tester is here. How is it?
Oh, my rice here.
How is it?
I feel like I'm eating my mother's 멸치볶음.
Really?
Then not hard, just soft.
So you're craving for this. Luckily, we found. What's that? How many left there in the store? Only one, right? One tiny anchovy, because the anchovies here are very hard and big. Bye bye.